What if you could crochet yourself an entire athleisure wardrobe and have it look like ALO or Lululemon? In this video, I'll show you 5 beginner-friendly crochet pieces you can mix and match to create a sporty girl wardrobe. And I'll show you exactly how to style each one. All of them come with video tutorials and written patterns so you can recreate everything you see. Let's get right into design number 1. I kept seeing thigh-high leg warmers like these everywhere, and I love how they instantly elevate basic workout outfits. When I did gymnastics, leg warmers like these were an absolute closet staple because the heel gap makes them very functional for training so you don't slip or fall while doing jumps or turns, and they're really great at keeping your leg muscles warm. I crocheted myself a pair last year and love wearing them to the gym. I love creating active looks with these to wear to dance class or stretch classes. Layering them on top of leggings paired with a skin-tight top is my go-to outfit, but they also look amazing paired with leotards or spandex shorts. Another YouTube creator named @BeansAreAmazing featured this design in her winter and autumn crochet clothing idea video, and she said these leg warmers would look super cute with a skirt, and I could totally see that. This design is very easy to crochet. It's made entirely out of single and double crochets and can be completed in less than a week. It took me 4 days to complete this piece at a very relaxed pace. I linked the full YouTube tutorial down below for you to check out if you want to try crocheting your own thigh-high leg warmers with a heel gap. Sticking to accessories, oversized scrunchies never go out of style. They're a small piece but can instantly add a dainty and girly touch to any outfit. A lot of us like to work out with AirPods, but how annoying is it to carry around a small bag just to carry the case? This scrunchie solves that problem because it's designed with an invisible zipper, turning this hair accessory into a mini purse. I crocheted one for myself and wear it on walks, runs, while training, and just being out and about. I love wearing it in a high ponytail or bun paired with athletic wear to get that sporty girl look, but it can also be styled on your wrist with a casual outfit. I wear it this way while running errands or going on coffee runs, basically on occasions where I don't want to carry around a purse and just need the small essentials with me like my keys or spare change for parking or chapstick. This design is quick and easy to create. It's made entirely out of half double crochets and can be completed in a day. I also think it makes a really cute gift. I linked the full tutorial down below for you to check out if you want to try crocheting your own zipper scrunchie. I love shrugs like this because they add an ethereal and airy and feminine touch to simple outfits. When warming up, I find that if my arms are cold, my whole body is cold. Does anyone else experience this? Anyways, I crocheted myself a Nesta Shrug and wear this regularly both in and out of the gym. I love styling it with sheer tights, shorts, and a sports bra while training, but it also looks great with a tank top and jeans throughout the springtime, and during the summertime, it pairs really well with dresses. This is a very simple design to recreate. It's made entirely out of single crochets and double crochets and can be completed in a week. That's how long it took me. The full YouTube tutorial is linked down below for you to check out if you want to try crocheting your own Nesta Shrug. Sticking with the arm warmer concept, Boleros are another great piece to elevate simple outfits, except they have a slightly different effect compared to shrugs. Boleros give off an edgier energy in my opinion. I love this off-the-shoulder bolero design because it's got a unique look compared to a basic bolero, and it's still very functional. It looks great with any skin-tight athletic outfit, whether that be leggings with a sports bra or spandex shorts with a tank top. I also love wearing mine casually. I'll layer it on top of dresses in the summertime, and I've also worn it to the beach as a layering piece. This is one of the first designs I ever crocheted, which means it's very beginner friendly. It's made entirely out of single crochets and double crochets, and I completed mine in a week. The full YouTube tutorial is linked down below for you to check out if you want to try crocheting your own off-the-shoulder bolero. Last but not least, my absolute favorite. I keep coming back to pieces like this. They're minimalistic and can be mixed and matched in several different ways to create entirely different looks. Balloon sleeve sweaters are a closet staple if you do an artsy sport because they're flowy, breathable, and make you look so effortlessly elegant. I crocheted one for myself, and every time I wear it out, someone says something about it. It's a minimalistic piece, but also makes a statement at the same time. This sweater offers so much versatility. I've worn it in many different settings, but here are my favorites. I mostly wear it casually, usually with a tank top and some tight-fitted jeans. I also wear it to the gym or studio to warm up with a sports bra underneath and paired with some leggings or spandex shorts. I haven't tried this yet, but I think it would look so cute with a skirt and some knee-high boots. This is the design you can turn your brain off while crocheting because it's literally rows of double crochet crochet with single crochets at the end. I kept this project in my purse and worked on it in my free time for a few weeks, but if you were to sit down and commit to this project, you could definitely complete it in about 2 weeks. I linked the full YouTube tutorial down below for you to check out if you want to try crocheting your own balloon sleeve sweater. These are the 5 crochet designs you need to try if you want to create your own sporty girl wardrobe. Let me know which design was your favorite down below in the comment section, and let me know which design you're going to try creating. Crocheting wasn't a technique I knew you could use to create athleisure garments, but it is, and the garments end up being very functional and looking super cute. If there's another crochet wardrobe style you'd like me to make a video about, please let me know in the comment section down below as well. I love creating content like this for you guys. Speaking of which, if you don't want to miss out on any beginner-friendly crochet content, then I highly recommend you subscribe because that's literally all I post on this channel. I had so much fun hanging out with you guys, and I cannot wait to see you in my next video. Bye!